નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now students, our new chapter number 5, lines and angles. So first of all, the introductions of these chapters. Here is given as the angles, is the many types of the angles. So dear students, you are already studied in standard 6th. Some members of complementary angles, supplementary angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angles, right? So we are more about one more times discuss about these types of the angles. So first of all, here is the complementary angles. So what is the complementary angles? So dear students, any two angles, given any two angles, then these two angles addition is equal to 90 degree, then these two angles is called a complementary angles. Given any two angles additions is equal to 90 degree, then this one is a complementary angle. It means two angles addition is 90 degree. Okay, so this one is complementary angle. Then after the supplementary angle, it means given any two angles, and these two angles addition is 180 degree, so it's called a supplementary angles. Given any two angles additions is 180 degree, so it's called a supplementary angles. Then after the acute angles, so what is the acute angles? Acute angles is means less than 90 degree. Acute angle is means less than 90 degree. It means 45, 35, 25, 37, 65, 85, 89. These all are as the acute angle. Less than 90 degree वाले जो कुछ भी एंगल है उसे हम लोग बोलेंगे acute angle. Okay. Now the next one is obtuse angles. So what is the obtuse angles? Obtuse angle is means, dear students, more than 90 degree. But more than 90 degree it means 180 और 90 के बीच में जो सारे एंगल्स है उसे हम लोग बोलेंगे obtuse angle. It means 175, this one is obtuse angle. 179, this one is also for the obtuse angle. 95, obtuse angle. 125, obtuse angle. 135, obtuse angle. 159, obtuse angle. So these all are as the obtuse angles. Okay, obtuse angle is means more than 90 degree angles, it's called the obtuse angles. Then after the right angles is, you all are know, 90 degree it's called the right angles. 90 degree it's called the right angles. So this one is the symbols of the right angles. This one is right angle sign. It's called a right angle sign. This means 90 degree sign. So 90 degrees means this one is called a right angle sign. Then after the angles is the vertically opposite angles and linear pair angles. What is the vertically opposite angle? So dear students, we are draw one figures. Suppose this one is figures, my figure, right? Here. It's called a one angle, second, third and fourth. So in this figure, how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four angles, right? So vertically angles, it means vertically opposite angles. Opposite means this one and this one, these two is opposites. Here this markers and this marker, this two is also for the opposites. Okay, this one is this one, it's called not a opposite. Opposite is means samne. So 1 and 3 it's called a opposite angles. Same for the 2 and 4 it's called a opposite angles. And dear student, vertically opposite angles are same. Suppose a one angle's measurement is equal to 75. So angle 3 measurement is equal to also for the 75. Two vertically opposite angle are same. Vertically opposite angles are same. So what is the vertically opposite angles? 1 and 3, these two is the opposite. So opposite angles are same. It means 1 and 3 also for the same. This one is 75, so this one is also for the 75. Same for the, suppose this one is 105. So angle 4 is also for the 105. So angle 2 and angle 4, this one is also for the vertically opposite. This two is the opposite angle, samne opposite. So 2 and 4 also for the same. It means 105, 105. This one is 75, so this one is also for the 75. It means vertically opposite angles always same. So it's called a vertically opposite angles. Now to the next one is the linear pair. So what is the linear pair, dear students? Suppose this figure, in this figure one part is drawn here, same part. So only straight line, it means this one is how many angles? Straight line is means 180. Straight line is means 180 degree angles. कहीं पे भी आपको straight line दी गई है, उसका measurement find करना हो तो 180 degrees. Now here this one is, it means this angles how many parts? 2 parts. So it's called a linear pair, and the two linear pair addition is equal to 180. Two linear pair addition is equal to 180. Suppose this one is one more example. इस types का हो तो straight line, in this straight line divided into 2 parts. So this one is also for the linear pair. In this two linear pair additions is equal to 180. Same for the suppose in this same ऐसी figure हो. So one straight line, in straight line divided into 2 parts. So this one is also for the linear pair. So dear students, this one, and this one. So this 3 is the linear pair examples, and the straight line is means 180, and this is called a vertically opposite angle. So clear what is the vertically opposite angles and what is the linear pair? Okay. So this one is the angles of the in these chapters we are discussed. Okay. Now to the our next topic is means exercise 5.1. Our next exercise 5.1. In exercise 5.1 here given 2 questions. So the first questions, to find the complementary of each of the following angles. It means find the complementary angles of the given figure. And the second question, same for the find the supplementary of each of the following angles. So dear students, we will find in the first question the complementary angles of the given angle, and in second question find the supplementary angles of the given figures. So dear students, here the first, this one is the one angle is given, and this angle's measurement is equal to 20. Here for the given one angles, and this angle's measurement is equal to 63, and third angle's measurement is equal to 57. Now find the complementary angle of these 3 angles. So we all are know the 2 complementary angles is equal to 90 degree. 2 complementary angles is equal to 90 degree. One angle is given. Now find the second angles. Then how to find the second angles? So dear students, here is the complementary angles. Is equal to 90 minus our first one is 20. So 90 minus 20 is means 70. So dear students, 20 and 70, this 2 is the complementary angles. Same for the this ones. Directly we are writing the complementary angles of 63. How to write? इस तरह से complementary angle of 63 is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. So 90 degree minus 63 means our answer is 27. So 27 and 63, this all are is the complementary angles. Then after the 57, the same for the complementary angle of 57. So 90 degree minus 57. 90 degree minus 57. So our answer is 33. So 33 is the complementary angles. 57 and 33, this 2 is the complementary angle. Why? Because this 2 addition is equal to 90. Same for this 2 addition is equal to 90. 70 and 20, these 2 angles is equal to 90. So this one is the complementary angle sums. Same for the our second question is the supplementary angles. So supplementary angles is means we all are know the 2 supplementary angles is equal, angles addition is equal to 180. This is 90 and here is 180. The same formulas, it means same method. Supplementary angle of 105 is equal to 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105 is means 75. Same for the second one, it means supplementary angle of 87 is equal to 180 minus 87. So 180 minus 87 it means 93. Here is 75. And the third one, supplementary angle of 154. So 180 minus 154. So our answer is 26. Right? So this all R is the supplementary angle and this all R is the complementary angle. So understand how to find the complementary angles of the given angles and how to find the supplementary angles of the given angles. Okay? Now
Thank you for joining us.